Today we are going to talk about lesson 4.1 on deposits in our new chapter. So we are going to start our chapter 4 equation sheet. So go ahead and take out a piece of paper so that you can start writing down your equations for this chapter to be turned in on the day of the test. Our first equation is going to say total deposits equals currency plus coins plus checks, all subtracted by your cash received. So, in this lesson, we're going to be talking about checking accounts. And we're talking about our deposit slips. Now, deposits are checks, currencies, or coins put into a bank account, savings and loan, credit union, or brokerage firm. We have what they call a direct deposit, which is a deposit that is electronically transferred from your employer's checking account to your checking account. Some of you may know what this machine is. It's an automated teller machine or an ATM, and it performs basic banking functions such as handling check deposits or issuing cash withdrawals. The last vocab for this lesson is going to be PIN or personal identification number. This is a personal number for an ATM card that gives you access to your bank account electronically. Let's take a look at our first example for this lesson. We're talking about lesson 4.1. Again, this is on deposits. Example 1 says, Manuel Romeo is making a deposit to his checking account. He has checks for $435.20. He has $271.19 and $327.96. His cash consists of 15 $1 bills, 7 $5 bills, 3 $10 bills, 24 quarters, 5 dimes, 15 nickels, and 14 pennies. He also withdraws $75 in cash. What is his total deposit? See figure 4.1. All right, so let's take a look. It says we have currency. Currency are paper bills, okay? So ones, fives, 20s, hundreds, you name it, okay? Those are what we call our currency. So it says that he has 15 $1 bills. So 15 times 1. We have 7 $5 bills. So that would be 7 times 5. And we have 3 $10 bills. So that would be 3 times 10. That was a total of $80. So notice here on the currency line, these are our ones, fives, tens, etc. 20s, we could have hundreds, whatever the case may be. Coins is exactly what it means. It's your change. So we have 24 quarters. Now remember, each quarter is worth 0.25. So we're going to do 24 times 0.25 plus. We have 5 dimes. Remember that those are worth 10 cents a piece. So that's 0.10. Plus we have 15 nickels. Now remember, those are 5 cents a piece. So that's 0.05. And 14 pennies, which are worth 1 cent a piece. So that's 0.01. That gave us $7.39. So again, these are our quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies, and such forth. Then they listed the 3 checks that we would receive, or that we're depositing, the $435.20, the $271.19, and the $327.96. And the next thing they do is they add all of that up to find the subtotal. Notice how it says currency, coins, and checks all added together. So they did 80 plus the 739 plus the 435.20 plus the 271.19 and the 327.96. They came up with $1,121.74. Then remember, it says he withdraws $75 in cash. So that is going to be this cash received. And notice how it says less your cash received, because that's what we subtract out. So we take this number and we're going to subtract 75 from it and get a total deposit of $1,046.74. So it asked, what is my total deposit? Well, they had actually already figured it out for me. My total deposit is $1,046.71. Now, I do want to make a note here. Notice that this checking account deposit slip has been signed. You only sign this if you are receiving cash. If you choose to take money back out of your account, you must sign your deposit slip. All right, let's take, I want you to look at the try on your own. I want to take about 7 minutes to see if you can work out your complete deposit, your total deposit. Now, again, you're going to add your checks, your coins, and your currency, and then you're going to subtract any cash that you receive back. So go ahead and take 7 minutes. Pause your videos now. The answers to the try these on your own questions 1 and 2 have now been provided for you. Please take a moment to write down these answers. If you have any questions, please come see me about them. Please note that in that second example, there was no cash back. So it was all addition, no subtraction. Go ahead and take a moment to copy these down and to answer the questions on the next slide to debrief these examples.